This is Voltrover. The future of electric adventure begins here. Our motorcycle is built for adventure, perfect for riders aged 14 and up. It's tough, but remember, always ride safe. Powered by a mighty 2,200-watt motor with a maximum speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute, this machine delivers raw strength and precision. With a 50-kilometer range and incredible climbing capability, it's made for unforgettable outdoor experiences. Its power and agility let you dash through forests, leap over terrain, and kick up clouds of dust with ease. An inverted aluminum front fork and hydraulic suspension system ensure top-tier off-road performance and comfort on any trail. And the removable battery, that's your ultimate travel partner. Quick to swap, quick to charge, and ready for more adventure. That is the secret, how we tear through the woods and unleash the thrill of the ride. Empowering off-road exploration with pure electric power, taking you farther into the heart of nature. Voltrover, the ultimate choice in electric motorcycles.